In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly generate content using ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can assist in creating a variety of written materials. Let's dive right in and explore how you can utilize this to streamline your content creation process. First things first, you'll want to open up ChatGPT. To do this, head over to chat.openai.com. If it's your first time here, simply log in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, it's time to get started by initiating a new conversation. This fresh chat will serve as your workspace for today's content creation journey. Next, it's crucial to decide on the type of content you want to produce. This will guide the direction of your project. Perhaps you're interested in writing a blog post on a topic like the benefits of remote work, for instance. Having a clear idea of what you want will help you communicate effectively with ChatGPT. Once you have your content type in mind, the next step is to ask ChatGPT to draft an outline. Think of this as a blueprint for your content. To do this, you might say something like, make a detailed outline for a blog post about the benefits of remote work. Include an introduction, 5 main points, and a conclusion. An outline will give structure to your thoughts and ensure that all relevant points are covered. With your outline in hand, it's now time to expand these bullet points into a full piece of content. Request that ChatGPT writes the complete blog post for you, specifying the tone and word count. For example, you could say, write the full blog post based on this outline in a professional but friendly tone. Length, 800 to 1,000 words. This step transforms your outline into a polished draft that's ready for the next stages. Creating variations of your content for other platforms is an excellent way to maximize its reach and impact. Ask ChatGPT to reformat the blog post into different styles. For example, turn this blog post into a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and an Instagram caption. Each platform has its unique audience and style, so tailoring your content accordingly can enhance its effectiveness. Refining your content style and optimizing it for search engine visibility is essential if you want to reach a broader audience. Instruct ChatGPT to add relevant keywords, create a catchy meta description, and format headings properly. This step ensures that your content is not only engaging, but also easily discoverable online. Finally, after all the hard work of creation and optimization, it's time to save and publish your masterpiece. Simply copy your final content and paste it into your content management system, social media platform, or document where it will live. Congratulations, you've just utilized ChatGPT to create and share valuable content seamlessly. And there you have it. Following these steps will enable you to efficiently generate and distribute content across multiple platforms with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating.